Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Road Top TK78-66-9U0C Carplay Android Auto Retrofit Kit. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Road Top Dual USB Interface Module for Mazda 2014 to 2020 year. Exchange your original car USB port, and then you will get CarPlay and Android Auto functions. This upgrade kit enhances the Mazda Connect infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, allowing you to access your iPhone's maps, playlists, contacts, and compatible apps with your voice through Siri. Siri will also read incoming text messages and allow you to reply without taking your hands off the wheel. You can also navigate the features of Apple CarPlay with the optimally positioned multi-function commander control. For Android users, this upgrade also adds Android Auto functionality. The firmware must be updated first before beginning the installation. If an older version of the CMU software is being used, the CarPlay/Android Auto compatible USB hub may not be recognized. The software must be V70.00, 367 amp or later. If not, be sure to update the software. Once the CMU has been attached to the CarPlay/Android Auto compatible USB hub, the software cannot be updated. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.